Hello, this is Paul Campbell with the agency in Lexington. Want to introduce to you Mark Evans with the Union Savings Bank. He has a great product for those of you who may be thinking about buying a new home. Mark, go ahead.
Thank you, Paul. Well, today we're going to talk about, over the next 60 seconds, some highlights of our new construction with our blanket loan. Uh, have, if you may know somebody that has before lived in a home and then wanted to build a new house, well, they built the new house, and for the last month or so, the last few weeks, they've had to pack the family up. They've had to move somewhere else, move in with families, move to a hotel until their home gets finished. With our blanket loan, what we're able to do is for you as a family is you make one move, and that is from the house that you currently live in to the new home that you've had constructed. You don't have to wait from one to the other. The same as our blanket loan, we can do that without any contingency.